Estrogen is a body-identical plant-based estrogen derived from the yams. Its molecular structure is exactly the same as our own body estrogen. Remember, there is only estrogen on it. You might need to give a progestogen separate in case if you still have a womb. Before applying estrogen, ensure the area of the skin is clean, dry, and intact. It's usually applied on the outer arm, outer shoulder, or inner thighs. And remember to avoid breasts and vulval area. Here you go. 1 pump. It's a gel. Apply gently to the skin. If you've been prescribed 2, 3, or 4 pumps, make sure you apply each pump in a different area of your body to increase and improve absorption. Leave it to dry for at least 5 minutes. Avoid washing the area or applying any products such as sun cream or moisturizing for at least 1 hour after the application. And finally, wash your hands with water and soap. I hope it helped. Keep well.